welcome to class 6 general maths class. So children, in the last class we discussed about the HCF. Is it now? What is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. Is it? What is HCF? Highest common factor. HCF is a highest number which divides the given number exactly. Is it, children? What is HCF? HCF is a highest natural number which divides the given numbers exactly. There are three methods to find HCF: common factor method, prime factorization method, and division method. So previous class we discussed everything about HCF. So today's class is what? Today's class is based on LCM. What is this? LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple. Is it, no children? What is LCM? Least common multiple. So before going to LCM and methods to find LCM, first we must know what is multiple. Is it, no? So we must know the basic. What is multiple first? We must know. So what is multiple? Let us see. Example, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, 2 3 just 6. Is it? 2 into 3 is 6. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 and 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Product of 2 and 3 is 6. It means 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Whereas 6 is what? 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Example, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Then 5 and 2 are factors of 10. Whereas 10 is what? Multiple of 5 and 10 is multiple of 2. Is it? Understood, children, what is multiple? So, if A is divisible by B, A is one number, B is another number. So, A is divisible by B, then A is multiple of B. Is it? Example, A is 10, B is 5. So, 10 is divisible by 5. Is it? So 10 is multiple of 5. A is multiple of B. 10 is multiple of 5. Okay, children? So I hope you understood what is LCM. LCM of two or more numbers is what? A smallest natural number. What is this? Least. So smallest natural number which is the multiple of each of the numbers. LCM of two or more numbers is what? A smallest natural number which is the multiple of each of the given numbers, means which is divisible by a smallest natural number which is divisible by given numbers exactly. Clear, children? So I hope you understood about multiple. What is multiple? Multiple of any number is a number which is divisible by given number exactly. Okay, children, now next we will see the methods to find LCM. Okay. So there are three methods to find LCM. How many methods? Three methods to find LCM. What are the three methods? First is common multiple method. Okay, common multiple method. Next is prime factorization method, and next is division method. These are the three methods to find LCM. Today's class we will discuss LCM by common multiple method. So what? Common multiple method. Okay, common multiple method. So we will discuss first method, common multiple method, how to find LCM by common multiple method. So let's start. See children, there is a question, find LCM of 5, 10 and 15. Okay, three numbers are given. What are the three numbers? 5, 10 and 15. You have to find LCM of 5, 10 and 15. It means you have to find such a smallest number which is divisible by 5, 10 and 15. Exactly what I am saying, smallest number which is divisible by 5, 10 and 15. Example, 20 is divisible by 5, 20 is divisible by 10 also, but 20 is not divisible by 15. Is it or not? So 20 is not LCM. Okay. Now 60 is divisible by 5, 60 is divisible by 10, 60 is divisible by 15 also, but 16 is not a smallest number which is divisible by all these three exactly. LCM is what? A smallest number which is divisible by all these numbers exactly. So okay, so we will see the first method, common multiple method. So in this common multiple method, okay, the step 1 is finding the multiples of given numbers. What are the given numbers? 5, 10 and 15 are the given numbers whose LCM you have to find. So their multiples you have to find first. So multiples of 5. Okay, multiples of 5 are M of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that. The number is itself multiple, is it not? So, these are the multiples of 5. Multiples of any number are infinite. Infinite. A number is having infinite multiples, limited factors, but infinite multiples. So, first we have to write, or most of the multiples we have to write. Okay, so here also I have written 5 to 30 multiples of 5. Then after again add that dot I kept. Here middle 60 also I kept. 60 is also one of the multiple of 5. Next, multiples of 10 or M of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, dot 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 like that. How many multiples are there? There are infinite multiples of a number. So all the multiples we can't write, no, infinite multiples. So we will write sum of the multiples. Okay. Okay, this is over. Next is what? Multiples of 15. So multiples of 15 or M of 15. What are multiples of 15? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, dot dot dot. Is it no children? So again there are so many multiples. Some of the multiples we have written. Now next step is what? Step 2, common multiples. Step 1 is what? Writing the multiples of given numbers is step 1. Okay, what is the step 1? Write the multiples of given number. Now step 2 is what? Common multiples. We have to find out which multiples are common to all. So first is 30. 30 is common to all. One thing remember children, you should not miss the first multiple, because first multiple only the smallest multiple or least multiple. Yes or no? First multiple came 30. Here also 30 here. These all common multiples in that. First is 30. So 30 is the smallest number which is divisible by 5, 10 and 15. Next 60, 60, 60. So common multiples are 30, 60, and not only 30 and 60, again so many are there dotted. Okay, so many common multiples are there. Minimum 2 to 3 common multiples you have to write. Okay, so no need to write all the common multiples. Minimum 2 to 3 common multiples you have to write. Now in these common multiple, which is least one? So least or smallest one is what? 30. So what is least common multiple? Least common multiple LCM of 5, 10 and 15, that is 30. Okay na children? So I hope you understood this. Okay, what is the step 1? Writing the multiples of given numbers. Okay, what are the given numbers? 5, 10 and 15 are the given numbers. So their multiples you have to write. Then step 2 is what? Common multiples. So you have to check which multiples are common to all. So while checking common multiples, one thing remember, should not miss first multiple, because first multiple is the smallest multiple. Is it? So you should not miss first multiple. Then how many common multiples? Minimum 2. Okay, you have to write. If you will not write 2 also, you remember one thing, the first common multiple only your answer, that is least common multiple. So 30 is divisible by 5, 10 and 15. Less than 30 any number, suppose you check 25, divisible by 5, not by 10 and 15. Okay, 20 divisible by 5 and 10, but not by 15. Like that will come. But you have to check what? Common to all. Understood children? This is a method. Which method? Common multiple method. Okay. So what is LCM? LCM is least common multiple. LCM of 2 or more numbers is the smallest natural number, which is the multiple of each of the numbers, or also can say LCM is a smallest number, natural number, which is divisible by given numbers exactly. Here see, LCM of 5, 10 and 15 is what? 30. So 30 is the smallest natural number, which is divisible by 5, 10 and 15 exactly. Clear children? I hope you got this point. Okay, I understood what is LCM. The first method we discussed. What is the first method? Common multiple method we discussed. Now next two method, that is prime factorization method and division method, we will discuss in the next class. So this is for today. Thank you.